Hello world! In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a smooth scrolling effect with only one line of CSS. And you can achieve something like this. If we click here in the side on the anchor tags, you're going to see this nice smooth scrolling effect. And this is just with one line of CSS. So let's see how you can do it. Alright, so here I created a quick CodePen project which basically has 4 sections: purple, red, blue and green. All of the sections have 100 viewport heights, and then here on the right we have a navigation with 4 anchors. Each of these anchors, you can see the href is set to be the ID of the section. So if we click now, you can see that they jump straight to the section. But by adding the following line of CSS, we can have a smooth scroll. And the line of CSS, it's on the HTML. Scroll behavior will be smooth. And now if we're going to click here on the sections, you're going to see the nice animation, which is pretty neat. Until now you had to do it with JavaScript. So now with only one line of CSS you can achieve this effect. The only drawback is that it's not yet fully supported on all the browsers. Might be better in the future. And also you can't really control how it works. But I think it works decently for just one line of CSS. I hope you enjoyed this. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I see you in the next video. Bye!